What's up guys, I have another DEATHbX video. Today it's just gonna be a really quick and short video. I figured let's go back to basics, as basic as how to check your oil and how to fill it up if need be. Why make such a simple video like that? And I mean, some people just don't know. This is just going to be a quick simple video of showing you the location of the oil dipstick, how to check it of course, and if you were ever to be low on oil, how you go about filling it up and checking it as well. Before we get to it, you already know what to do. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you don't miss out any future DEATHbX videos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's get right to it. So first things first, on the driver's side, near the floorboard, right here, there's your hood latch. Pop that up. You are also going to need a rag, microfiber, whatever, towel, old shop rag, what have you, napkin, as long as it's clean. Gonna pop your hood. Latch is right here, right there. Lift up and your hood should come up. Hood prop is right there, and on the right of your hood you're gonna put it right there. Your oil dipstick is right here. Mine is yellow, yours might be yellow as well, but it is in this location right here on the left side of your engine bay. Alright, that's your oil dipstick. Alright, of course carefully pull out your dipstick. And I don't know if the camera focuses, but there's a F right here, and that's your full line. You have a L, and that is your low over here. Good? Bad. Mine's actually doing fine. I'm gonna double check, but let me show you how to check this. So with your rag, just clean the tip off. After you wipe the tip of the dipstick clean, pull it back out again, double check, and I don't know if you can see, but mine is right at the full mark, so I'm actually pretty good. So you're gonna want to fill it up to that F mark. If your oil level is anywhere in between, that means you're low. And the correct oil weight for your first Gen XB or the 1NZFE engine is 5W30 weight, and I may put a few links in the description of the oil. You want to fill it up to that line right behind that F. I'm gonna put just a touch of oil in there just to show you how to go about filling it up, so let's do that next. From your dipstick, your oil filler is right here. So this is your oil cap, this is where you fill it up. So loosen that, take that off. And like I mentioned earlier, the correct oil weight for your first Gen XB 1NZFE engine is 5W30 weight. And yeah, let me show you how to go about filling that up. Alright, so find yourself a little funnel here. This is just so that you don't make a mess. Make sure it's clean, of course. Place it in there. Once again, like I mentioned, the oil weight for your first Gen XB is 5W30. And as well for any 1NZFE engine. And when I checked earlier, how you noticed, and I mentioned my oil levels were actually fine, but I'm just gonna put just a smidge in there, just to show you guys, obviously. there you have it. Now, after you put in a little bit of oil, of course, you're gonna wanna double check, once again, your levels on your dipstick. So go back and forth. Remember, don't put too much. Just do it bit by bit, small increments, okay? If you overfill it, then you're gonna have to drain some oil out. And that is how you check your oil and fill it up on your 1NZ FE engine on your first gen XB, guys. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, that way you don't miss out any future DEATHbX videos. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.